Hello everyone, welcome to a coin collecting video, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the best beginner coin collections to start collecting. And today I'm going to be talking about the Roosevelt dimes collection. So I'm not talking about the silver Roosevelt part of the Roosevelt design. That was from 1946 to 1964, right there. So also this book, not this one, but the newest version will be linked below, as well as all of the coin supplies that I had for this. So definitely go check that out after the video is over. So you may not want to start out with these folders like this, but what I would recommend is getting Whitman folders. They're these folders that you can buy, and they're kind of like a flip book, and you just stick the coins within them. I have since upgraded, and I do not actually have those anymore, but I did upgrade to this. So you could start out by collecting these and purchase this stuff, or you can buy those little folders, and they're like $4 I think a piece, and I'll actually link those below in the description as well as the other supplies. But yeah, pretty new design. 1965 seems really old, but in coins that's the first year they stopped doing silver, so you can easily find this. I didn't have to buy a single one of these from a coin store or anything. I just would roll hunt, so I'd go to the bank, get a box of dimes or even just a few rolls, and I would just look through them. And I also found a lot of these just in pocket change, but I would look through them and I would pick out the ones that I need. And I have completed, at least almost completed, except some of the newer ones, but I've pretty much completed the whole entire Roosevelt 1965 through present collection so far. All I need is the 2019 from Philadelphia, and then obviously the 2020 ones, which I don't know if those have come out yet, but I still need those. And I also have a video where I talk about all of the dimes within my collection, and I'll have that linked below. And it's not just talking about Roosevelts, it's talking about Mercury and a few Barber ones that I actually have, Barber dimes. So definitely consider watching that after this video is over. And I would also recommend keeping track of what coins that you do have. So I have a different video called How to Start Collecting Coins, and I'll link that in the description as well. But definitely one of the best collections to start out with. This is one that I started out with, doesn't take a lot of money. So if you were to actually go and spend all of this, it would be $10.60, but if you had the full collection, it would be $10.80, not including this present year, so then it would be $11. Very inexpensive way to get into coin collecting. You also may want to start collecting the National Parks quarters, the Washington State quarters, other denominations of coins that are easier to find within pocket change and by roll hunting. If you did enjoy this video, go and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what your favorite denomination and design is to collect. And I have a video showing the dimes folders, the Whitman dimes folders that I do not have on hand. And that video is called Best Coin Collecting Supplies for Beginners. And there will also be a link in the description for that as well. So definitely go check out those 3 videos, or just one of them. Go and hit the bell next to the subscribe button after you subscribed, so that you can be notified whenever I post more videos like this one. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. And as always, keep on collecting.